The concept of map filter and reduce are very important in Python. Okay, it is very important in Python. You learn how to have to use map filter and reduce many times when you are doing advanced manipulation. And if you know how to use a map filter and reduce, then it will help you to become a great Python programmer. Let's go to the computer screen and let's see about that. So let's get started.
In today's class, I will be telling you what are map filter and reduce. So now let's start, and in Python I will be telling you. So what are map filter and reduce? In Python, the map filter and reduce function are built-in function. Okay, that are the built-in function that allow you to apply a function to a sequence of elements. Okay, and return a new sequence. These functions are known as higher order function, as they take other function as argument. Okay, I hope you will understand, and you know that the map filter and reduce is a built-in function. Okay, so now let's run. First of all, we run a map. Okay, what are map? The map function applies a function to each element in a sequence and returns a new sequence containing the transforming element. The map function has the following syntax, and it has syntax. Here you can see it. I will be telling you this is a syntax of map function. I will tell you this is syntax of map function. Here you can see it. And now the function argument is a function that is applied to each element in the iterable argument. The iterable argument can be a list, table, or any other iterable object. Okay, I hope you will understand. Here is an example of how to use a map function. Here is one example. Like I will be copied and I will paste it. And now when I will run it, so the output coming 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 10. Why 2, 4 and 6 and 10 is coming? Because here I will be writing 2. Whenever I will be writing 5. So here, like you haven't seen, in the 5 table is coming like 5 in the 4, 50 and 50 to 15, 4, 4, 25, 5 to 25. And when you write like here 6, 7, and this here is coming like the 5 in the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 3 to 15, 5 4 to 20, 5 5 to 25, 5 6 to 30, 5 7 to 35. It is coming like that. Like I will be running like C. Here you can see it is coming like that. It is very simple. What are the map function? It is very simple to know. And when you write like 4 table, the 4 table it will give. Here you can see 4 1 4 4 2 8 4 3 12 4 3 4 3 12 4 4 16 and 4 5 20, and that the 4 table is coming like that. It is very easy. And you here you can pick the 8, 9, and 10. And here you can see it when you will be running. So all table is coming like 5 and here you can see it 4 1 4 2. It is very easy. So now in the above example, the lambda function lambda x multiplied by 2 is used to double each element in the number list. The map function apply the lambda function to each element in the list and return a new list containing the double it numbers. Okay, I hope you will know. Filter. So now let's run for the filter. I hope you will know what I meant. The filter. The filter function filters are a sequence of elements based on a given predictor. A function that returns a boolean value and returns a sequence containing only the element that meet the predicate. The filter function has the following syntax, and this is the syntax of a filter. You will be copying and paste it also. The predicate argument is a function that returns a boolean value and is applied to each element in the iterable argument, and the iterable argument can be a list, tuple, or any iterable object. Here's an example how to use a filter function. So like I will be know what a map function like I have told you. So now let's pick the filter function and example, and I will copy and paste it. And it is when we run it, so it is coming like 2 and 4. Here you can see why, because here is percentage sign, and when you be write like 6, and when you will run, so output will come that. Okay, and when you will be write like here 1 and run. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is coming. Why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is coming? Because we start to the 1 and here you can see it. And when we will write like 1, 3 and when I will write like 3, so 3 is only coming. So that's called the filter function. In above example, the lambda function lambda x percentage 2/0 is used to filter the number list and return only the even number. Okay, return the only even number, as the filter function applies the lambda function to each element in the list and returns a new list containing only the even number. And you will not see my lambda function video, so go and see it because it is also very helpful. Now let's learn reduce function. The reduce function is a higher order function. Okay, the reduce function is a higher order function that applies a function to a sequence and returns a single value. It is a part of the function module in Python and is the following syntax, and in this syntax you will be copy and paste it also and use it also in many projects. Okay, the function argument is a function that takes in two arguments and returns a single value. The iterable argument is a sequence of elements such as a list or table. The reduce function applies the function to the first two elements in the interval and then applies the function to the result and the next element, and so on. The reduce function returns the final result. Here is an example of how we use reduce function. Here I will be copying and I will be pasting. And when I will be run it, and you can see 15 is coming. And why 15 is coming, I will be tell you. Like here we can write like x comma y some number and print the sum. Like sum of 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is why 15 is coming because 2 plus like 1 plus 2 should be 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 4 7, 8, 9, 10 and 10 plus 5 should be 15. And when you will write like here you can write like comma 6, 7. So the answer will come different. Like here you can 28. Why 28 is coming? Because I will tell you. Like I will be calculator, and when I will be go here, and here we can go. And 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28. It is very simple. So that's why, because it's called, this is a calculator. Okay, you know it is calculator. It is calculate the sum of the number using the reduce function. Okay, okay. So in the above example, the reduce function applies the lambda function and okay, lambda x plus y to the element in the number list. The lambda function has two arguments x and y and return the result. The reduce function applies the lambda function to the first element in the list 1 and 2. Then apply the function to the result 3 and the next element 3 and so on. The final result is sum of all the elements in the list with 50. It is important to note that the reduce function requires at the func tool module to be imported in order to use it. So now in this class I hope I will be telling you what a map filter and reduce, and I hope you will be knowing it is calculator. Okay, it is calculator. Okay, so I hope you will be understanding how what a map filter and reduce function. So you will gain knowledge from this class, and please like the video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And you will not access the Python playlist. So go and access this playlist and please bookmark it. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and all the notification bell. And because I will be upload any video, so here it is coming like that. And you will not follow me on my Facebook page, go and follow me because when I will be upload any video, so I will be put there. I will be put here link. Okay, and please follow me on my Twitter and Instagram also. So I will meet you next class and next very amazing class. And so for today, goodbye.